Assalamu alaikum. I am Amara Ishaq from District Bhakkar. Recently, I am selected as a lecturer of biology through PPSC exam in my first attempt. First of all, I am really thankful to team members of BioLecturia as they have huge role in my success story. Whenever we talk about PPSC exam, we all are worried and have queries about how to prepare for the test and how to attempt the test. So to get rid of all such sorts of problems and fears, I recommend all of you the platform of BioLecturia. BioLecturia is very effective for all of us due to its matchless efforts and very supportive team members. I really appreciate the sincere efforts of Dr. Azhar Harsool, Sir Adnan, Mem Nazia Kamal, and Mem Amara in making this platform one of the effective for the preparation of zoology as well as biology test. I also congratulate the team members of BioLecturia as well as the selected candidate of this platform, and best wishes are for those candidates who are preparing for the zoology test now. So keep smiling, stay happy and keep watching BioLecturia. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.